Ever tried making a bath bomb and it fizzed before it hit the tub, or it just crumbled to dust? Well, I've been there and I want to save you the mess. Hey friends, I'm Katie, and if you are new to natural DIYs, bath bombs are a great place to start. They are so fun and so satisfying, but they can be a little bit finicky. So in this video today, I am going to tell you my tips and tricks to make the perfect bath bombs. So today I'm going to show you exactly what makes bath bombs fizz and fall apart, and how to get that perfect spa-worthy soak every time. The magic combo is baking soda and citric acid. When they combine together and then hit the water, they react, and that's what creates the fizz. That fizz is everything, but to control it, you need the right texture, moisture, and timing. So let's walk through what matters most. Here's what most people do wrong. Too much liquid. When you make your bath bomb, you need to add a liquid to help your bath bomb bind together. This is usually distilled water or witch hazel. If you add these ingredients too quickly, your mixture is going to start fizzing and creating that reaction too soon. Instead, you can slowly add your liquid while stirring, and that's going to help prevent your bath bombs from reacting too quickly. The other thing you can do is put your water or witch hazel in a spray bottle and spritz and stir as you go. You're looking for a texture that's like damp sand. It should clump and hold together when you squeeze it. I like to do a double squeeze. I squeeze it this way, and then I turn my hand a little bit and squeeze it the other way, and if it holds its shape with both squeezes, I know that it's ready. Another biggie with making bath bombs is to not rush drying time. After you mold your bath bombs, either in a silicone mold or in a bath bomb mold, you'll need to let them dry for 24 hours. In a silicone mold, you'll let them dry right in that mold. In a bath bomb mold, you'll remove it from the mold and set it gently on the counter and give it space to dry undisturbed. If you live in a humid environment, you'll probably want to run a dehumidifier in that space, because the bath bombs can start reacting with the moisture in the air. Once they've dried for 24 hours, I like to give my bath bombs a gentle tap to make sure that they are dry. If you're using a silicone mold and you try to remove them before they're dry, they're going to crumble and get all over. If you try to move one of your round bath bombs, it might crumble in your hand. So double check that it's dry before you try to move it. It should end up being quite hard. If you drop it on the floor, it probably won't break. That's what you're looking for. Now for the fun part, color and scent. I use mica powder for a gentle skin-safe color and essential oils for aromatherapy benefits. When you're adding essential oils to your bath bomb, make sure you're using a safe dilution rate. I like to think about this as using about 3 drops of essential oil or less per bath bomb I am making. This is usually a 1% to a 0.5% dilution rate. For some of my favorite essential oils to use in bath bombs, check out my video, Best Ingredients and Essential Oils for Bath Bombs. To give your bath bombs that silky, nourishing finish, add a little bit of carrier oil. This not only dilutes your essential oils, but also moisturizes your skin. It also helps your bath bomb hold together so that it doesn't crumble once you take it out of the mold and it is completely dry. So to recap, here are the bath bomb making pro tips. First, make sure your mixture is the right consistency. You'll want to stir it while you add your liquid, and then give it a squeeze to make sure it is the right consistency. Next, make sure to let your bath bombs dry out completely. If you're using a silicone mold, you'll want to do this before you remove it from that mold. Remember to stick to safe essential oil dilution rates in your bath bombs. And don't forget to label your creations. They make great gifts. Ready to try it yourself? I made a free bath and spa DIY cheat sheet. It's got bath bomb recipes and other bath and shower recipes. Just click the link below to get your copy of the guide today. It's free. I'm Katie from Simply Earth. See you next time for more simple, natural DIYs.